Let's talk about today's method and a business idea that you can make money with using ChatGPT and another AI tool which I want to share with you in this video that we never previously talked about. So first things first, what you want to do is you obviously want to register to ChatGPT. You want to create an absolutely free account, and what we'll be using is Etsy, which is another AI tool in order to make money, because for example, this person over here is selling this particular product which is a digital product for $4, and they have got an 4,000 sales, which is over $15,000 from a single digital product. It's $15,000 in passive income. And for example, this person over here is selling this for $3 and has gotten 2,000 sale, where this person over here is selling this for 6.17 and has gotten over 5,000 sales. So I'll show you exactly how you can do this, and we will also be using an AI tool called Rocketfy, which is going to help you skyrocket your Etsy sales. It's going to help you get more sales and make you more money of your Etsy store, even if you're just starting out and even if you are never sold anything on Etsy. So I'm gonna leave a link to Rocketfy in the description box down below. But first things first, the product that we will be selling today are these different birthday cards and also business cards as well. So what you can do is you can go to ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT to write 20 short birthday card notes, and you can tell them to make them funny or like cheesy with another AI tool which I will share with you in a second. Now the beauty of Etsy is that you don't necessarily have to sell English products. You can sell in different languages. So if you want to sell these birthday designs in, let's say, Spanish, you can just say translate all these into Spanish, and you can then sell to different audience, not just in the US audience or not just the English speaking audience. Now once all of these different designs have been generated for all of these different post designs, what you want to do is you want to copy one of them, and whatever you like the most, you can just copy that one, and then you can go over to canva.com, which is a free graphic design tool, and you can search for business cards or birthday cards depending on what you want to create. And then you can choose one of these different templates, and whichever you like the most, just click on customize this template. You can change everything. You can play around with colors, designs, and literally all different things that go around it. So I'm going to leave it like this. It's going to be my design, and now I can click on share and I can download this, and I can download it to the computer. I will go back to Etsy and I can start selling these different products, not just on Etsy but also in Design Crowd, on Fiverr, on Upwork, and other freelancing platforms. So what you want to do first, or if you want to sell on Etsy to earn passive income, you want to go to etsy.com. You want to create an account. You want to create an account by clicking on the register button over here. Enter your email address, first name, and password. And just as you create an account, you want to click on your profile right over here, and you want to click on start selling on Etsy. And you want to create your store. You want to choose the language. You want to choose the currency. Click and save, and then continue. Then you want to give a name to your shop, and what I personally did is literally I just went over to ChatGPT and I asked for name ideas for my shop, and then ChatGPT actually gave me different name ideas, and then I've chosen the one that I like the most. I could just click on save and continue. I have my first listing created using that Canva design, and now I can just keep adding more listings, because the more of them you add, the harder chances are that you're going to start getting more sales. And also if you start using Rocketfy, you can potentially get a lot more sales, especially if you're just starting out and you have never really gotten a sale before on ad. So what you want to do is you want to go to rocketfy.com. You want to click on try it out for free, and you want to create a free account. Now what you have to do is fulfill all these requirements. Watch this full video to fulfill all the requirements. You can also do keyword research. You can analyze it other listings to choose which one would actually be a good listing to sell, so that you can maximize your earnings and maximize your sales. And you can also do AI writing. You can also have a listing tracker to make sure that you're actually posting something that can get better results and that can rank higher and get more sales. Because what actually diversifies these people who are making thousands of dollars is in passive income, and people who post their listing and don't get any sale is that people who are getting these sales and getting all the customers are at the top of the search result. Because if someone goes to Etsy and they type in a birthday card because they want to buy a birthday card, they're obviously just going to choose from one of these that show up first. They're never really gonna scroll down and go to the 10 10th page of Etsy, no one really buys those products over there. So that's why SEO is actually extremely important on Etsy. There is no other ways that you can start getting more sales unless you optimize your designs and your listings properly. And Rocketfy actually helps you to do that. So you can leverage activity for free and Canva to create those designs. But in order to start getting sales and better your listings on ST, you can just use Rocketfy and free AI tools that are included inside of rocketfy.com. I'm also going to leave a link to Rocketfy in the description box down below. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel with notifications on so that you don't miss that, and I will see you in some of the next video.